Good teachers are just like a candle. It consumes itself and guides the way for others. The hard work you do, the efforts you make, the blood sweat you make to one, that makes our school the best it could be. So thank you very much and a happy staff day.
Trin lejegi nimudila ni masuri pirukimdegi ni gegenda pamayuna sama drawing milamye.
A teacher takes a hand, opens our mind, touches our heart. Thank you, teacher.
We must find the time to stop and thank the people who make a difference in our life. They guide us, they teach us, they inspire us, they support us, they love us. So today is the day to thank them and say Happy Staff Day.
Tering mazru pegim gi leje nimotela tan nang shimbi leje tan nang nyung be leje chamolola chamte test rishuge
Tering tuse kebajin gi leje nimor test leshu
हर बार दिल से यही पैगाम आया
जुबान खोला तो सिर्फ आप लोग का ही नाम आया
क्या
टीचर्स
and
teachers
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers.
happy staff day to all the staff members of Tibetan Homes Foundation.
The dreams begin most of the time with a teacher who believes in you, who tugs and pushes and leads you on the next plateau. For that, we all the students would like to express our heartfelt thank you.
Lepshin ki tisantela kumyo ranglo membasikin ki kitchen thaba pegim gile yola samri tash le shuata thiring gi nima to yong waken.
chilu nyudo chugu chida gobe tsenga leje nimola oi
Happy staff day. Happy staff day.
Thiring leje nimola ngarang sulok tre lu tu pumo ingi chap shune samdi tash le shu de chap chik thiring gi nimo de ngarang sulok tre leje che nimo mixi shik cham de song jang ngarang sulok tre lu tu sangme ngene khe na ba yong la tuk to chung we rewa shu ge
Yo bro,
आपको हम विद्यार्थी के ओर से शिक्षक दिवस पर शुभकामनाएं धन्यवाद
हामी विद्यार्थीहरुको जीवनमा शिक्षा दिएर र हामी भविष्यमा राम्रो मान्छे बन्नको लागि प्रयास गरिरहेको शिक्षकहरु सबैलाई यो शिक्षक दिवसको लागि हामी विद्यार्थीहरुबाट हार्दिक शुभकामना
You inspire us to reach our goals, achieve our dreams, and more importantly, you inspire us to be a better person in life. Having a teachers like you is one of the greatest blessings I ever received. Thank you.
Kuzu sangbo teri lopin nim dilu lopjan alu bi lopin garalu che alu chulu pechalami dilu karin ches lamni in. I want to thank all the teachers for lighting the young minds. Wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day.
对于今天来说是一个特殊的日子，在这我代表所有的同学们祝你们教师节快乐，在以后的园艺道路上祝你们工作顺利和心想事成，谢谢大家。
लेजे निमलिया लेजे नम छावा लमजो ता निमे सिंग युवे टैशु में दिशो
आपसे ही सीखा आपसे ही जाना अभी को हमने गुरु है माना सीखा है सब कुछ आपसे हमने कलाम का मतलब आपसे ही जाना आज मैं विद्यार्थी की ओर से शिक्षक दिवस पर अनेक शुभकामनाएं
On this very auspicious occasion, on behalf of all the ex-students, would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers Day and thank you all for guiding us so very well till now. Thanks a lot.
다리 레제 니모델라 마수리 백임기 레제 참마요라 이돈 춥게 주고 럽수르 차장기 그접시제 레제 니모라 다시 들으시고요.